Hi smart marketers, welcome to this new video of Track the Market. Today in this video I would show you how to host server GTM on Stape. So to do this we have to create a container here on this Stape, and we would need another container here on GTM. So this GTM container is a browser side container. We have to create another for server side. So click on this and give a name like this, server side, and this time this will be this server, and create. And this container is created, so we would do it manually, so we would need to copy this one to use on this side. So we have to create a container here, container name. So this is the container name and config. So I have to paste it what I have just copied, and here server location. So we have to find a location, nearby location. So in Asia, if I find some locations here, India, Singapore, so I think this Singapore will be faster one. So I have just selected this one and then create container, and the container, let me select this one. Yeah, so container has been created. So these are the container details, and this is the domain name. So if I want to add a custom domain, just click on it, and the custom domain name will be like Stape, like this one. And if I click on this, so if you want CNAME details for for to add it on the DNS server, to add the record, so you just click here on this next, then it will give the details for CNAME. But when you want to set up it as a name instead of CNAME, so you have to click on here and use a name records instead of CNAME. So you have to click on this, then this will give you the details for a records instead of CNAME records. That's the thing. So this is manually, and next. So now I have got this for a records. So I would add all those, I mean this A and for full day, so both of them in the DNS record. So let me go to the DNS management. Let me find it. Yeah, my client manages his DNS from this cPanel. If I scroll down, this is the domains and a zone editor. You have to go there in this zone editor. If you click here, you can also go directly from these options. Otherwise, if you click on this manage, you will find all these details, the previously created records. So just click on it, add record, and you'll find this field for adding the record, and go to the Stape and copy this one for a record. Just put it here, and here just give 300. So this is just the time, in seconds. So how frequently this will be refreshed. And this is a record, and we have to copy this value. Fine. So save it. So I have saved one, and I'll do it from this time. I'll do this one. So again, click on this, and this time I have to change the type, and 300, and this record I have to copy this one. Fine. So this is the thing. So I have, yeah, these two I have added these two records. So just refresh it, and in the step, if I verify, click on this verify, so it will take a bit time. Usually after a few seconds it gets verified. Just wait a bit. So sometimes it takes a longer times, but usually, so here it has given us a direction like it can take up to 72 hours, but usually it gets done within a few minutes, even within a few seconds. So it depends. So I think this time this is taking time. So let me pause the video, and when this will be verified, I will show this. And yes, this has been verified. So you have got this tape.agrecovery.com, this one, this subdomain, uh, and what you have to do now. So we will use this in the server GTM. Here in this server side, I mean server GTM, you have to go to this admin. So here you have to configure this container. So add URL. Here you have to put this one. So just save it. So this is the thing. If I check it again, so this has been added. So this part is done. So our in Stape, so this has been verified, and we have got this subdomain, and we have added this in this server GTM. So now what we will do, we have to create all those tags triggers, so those required settings here. So this is how we have to host this server GTM in this Stape, Tape, Taggers, or Google Cloud Platform. They are almost similar. So thank you for watching this video. Take care. Bye bye.